इस वीडियो में हम करंट अफेयर्स 7 जून से 13 जून तक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना अगर आपने अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो। हम यहाँ पर वीकली करंट अफेयर्स अपलोड कर रहे हैं, सबके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं वीकली करंट अफेयर्स जो जो इम्पोर्टेंट है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which Indian state has highest number of tigers according to National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA)? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. There are total tigers are 2,976 in accordance with official data provided by National Tiger Conservation Authority. As a reply to RTI query, 750 tigers have died in the country in the last 8 years, that is between 2012 to 2019. Next, second question is on which day World Food Safety Day is observed? Answer is 7 June. The World Food Safety Day celebrated on June 7 is the day that reminds people of need to have safer and healthy food to have a disease-free life. This day is also an opportunity to promote awareness about how to keep our food supply safe. Question number 3 is who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas recently? Answer is Manushi Chillar. She supports the Home Team Hero Challenge of Adidas to stay physically and mentally fit in the lockdown due to COVID-19 and use sports as a platform to inspire and encourage the women and children to take up sports. Question number 4 is Anil Suri passed away. He was related to which field? Answer is Bollywood. Question number 5 is which state CM launched India's first online waste management platform on the occasion of World Environment Day to ensure 100% safe disposal of industrial toxic waste? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The platform will based on the principle of 6 R's, that is reuse, reduce, recycle, redesign, refurbish and remanufacture. Next question 6 is which state has launched a plantation drive Thanks Mom? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, a plantation drive named Thank Mom has been started on the premises of Social Justice and Disable Welfare Directorate from on World Environment Day. Question number 7 is on which day World Oceans Day is observed? Answer is 8 June. Question number 8 is NABARD extends special liquidity facility of rupees 270 crore to Assam Gramin Vikas Bank. Who is the chairman of NABARD? Answer is Govinda Razula Chintala. Question number 9 is who has been appointed as the new chief of BJP in New Delhi? Answer is Adesh Kumar Gupta. Question number 10 is recently the Government of India has constituted a task force to evaluate issues related to infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, sex ratio at birth, child sex ratio, etc. Who will hold this committee? Answer is Jaya Jetli. Question number 11 is who has become the first Indian to receive Richard Dawkins Award 2020? Answer is Javed Akhtar. The Richard Dawkins Award is an annual award that was presented by the Atheist Alliance of America up until July 2019. when it moved to the Center for Inquiry CFI. Question number 12 is which state CM inaugurates plant health clinic? Answer is Manipur. Question number 13 is recently how many Indian university has been named in the QS World University Ranking 2021? Answer is 8. IIT Bombay, Bangalore, IIT Delhi, Madras, Kharagpur, Kanpur, Roorkee, Guwahati. Next question 14 is recently National Chemical Laboratory has successfully developed an indigenous nasopharyngeal swab for collecting COVID-19 samples. This laboratory is in which city? Answer is Pune. Question number 15 is which Indian state has topped the India's Food Safety Index released by Food Safety Standard Authority of India FSSAI? Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra have topped in the list of larger states on the index. Next question. Question number 16 is which state has amended the years old cow slaughter act in the state to make the law more strict? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 17 is who has been appointed as the senior director of Google Cloud India? Answer is Anil Velluri. Google announced its plans to open Delhi Cloud Region expected in 2021. This will be the company's second cloud region in India since it launched one in Mumbai in 2017. Next question. Question number 18 is recently Ranjit Kumar has been honored with NASA Distinguished Public Service Medal. He belongs to which Indian state? Answer is Kerala. Next question, question number 19 is on which day World Accreditation Day is celebrated? Answer is 9 June. Next question. Question number 20 is on which day World Day Against Child Labor is observed? Answer is 12 June. Next question. Question number 21 is who has been conferred with Medal of the Order of Australia for her service to the community and the country? Answer is Shobha Sekhar. Next question, question number 22 is Panchvati Yojana has been launched in which Indian state? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Question number 23 is what will be the growth rate of India in next fiscal financial year 2021 to 2022 as per Fitch Ratings? Answer is 9.5%. Question number 24 is what is the India's rank in deep knowledge group safest country in the world from COVID-19? Answer is 56. Next question. Question number 25 is IL and FS has recently completed the sale of how much percent stake in the Gujarat International Finance Tech City GIFT City to the Gujarat government? Answer is 50%. Next question. Question number 26. Which country has decided to set up its first coal exchange? Answer is India. Coal produced in the country will be traded on a coal exchange, an online platform where pricing is determined transparently through demand and supply.